Let's go. Please push. Before Elisha died, he died. The king said, wake up. Elisha came back and told the king to shoot a bow. He shot little. The prophet cried and said, how could you shoot 2 or 3 times that you will have only 3 or 2 victory? This may not make sense, but push. We are shooting the arrows. Hashem. Can I hear fire? Now listen. Victory in the reign of wilderness, in the war zones, are senseless. Israel was defeated because the king thought that shooting an arrow meant nothing. The prophet had died because he was sick of his sickness. He got up. The king was crying, where is the prophet of our city? He woke up because there was a pending war. He said to him, shoot. He didn't tell him how many. The king shot the first, shot the second. I think the second or third he stopped. The prophet woke up and cried. Said, how could you stop shooting at the number 2 or 3? For you shall only have 3 victories. He died. If he had shot 7 times, 20 times, Hashem, Hashem, Hashem. It may not make sense, but that's the sound heaven has released for us to march against the gates of hell. Loudest fire!